Don't scroll. Maybe this is meant for you. Have you ever noticed? Sometimes your hands keep scrolling, but your soul suddenly becomes still. Something about this moment felt familiar, as if your heart recognized it before your mind did. Maybe that's why you stopped here. Not because this video is special, but because exhaustion has a language. And lately, your soul has been speaking in ways you no longer understand. You've become very skilled at carrying invisible things, unread thoughts, unspoken fears, smiles that survive conversations but collapse in silence. And the strange part is, your life may not even look broken. You still wake up, reply to people, continue routines. Yet, somewhere deep inside, something feels disconnected, like you have been physically present everywhere, except within yourself. The human heart is strange. It can survive pain. It can survive loss. It can survive disappointment, but it slowly disappears. When it survives too long without meaning, aside. And maybe that's what you've been feeling lately. Not sadness, not emptiness. Distance. Distance from your own soul. Distance from peace. Distance from the one. Your soul always knew where home was. Not because Allah moved away from you, but because dunya taught you to keep looking everywhere else. What if this exhaustion is not the end of you? What if it is the moment your soul finally became tired of pretending temporary things were enough? People exhaust themselves trying to be seen, trying to be chosen, wanted, remembered. But the soul was never created to survive on attention. It survives on nearness. And perhaps that quiet ache in your chest is not punishment. Perhaps it is invitation. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. And maybe your soul has been exhausted because it has been searching everywhere, except the place where peace was always meant to be. You do not need perfect faith to return to Allah. You do not need a beautiful past, or perfect prayers, or eloquent words. Sometimes returning begins with nothing more than honesty, a tired heart, a quiet room, and a whisper that says, Ya Allah, I don't want to feel lost anymore. And maybe that is why your soul paused here tonight. If your heart felt something, just write in the comments, Ya Allah, I'm here.